Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the bad variable names in JavaScript. So what are the ways that we have to use to avoid bad variables in JavaScript? So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see. First thing, that single letter variable name that should be avoided. X and Y. I'm not going to know why what the X denotes and the Y denotes. So single letter variable is a bad variable. So we never use X and Y. Second, never use reserve keywords. Let if, let function or something is invalid and the invalid. Numbers as a first character that is also invalid. 2, 4, 2 bar or something. It's invalid. This one, special characters, never use special characters like dollar and count or something, it's invalid. Okay, next one, that is long and the complex names. So number of items in the cart, so you can see that it's long. Okay, and the complex, so here you can see that the items in the cart, you can also write it down. Okay, this should be avoided. Okay, this too complex, right, and it takes too much of that, you can space also. Okay, so what are the ways that we can avoid such kind of bad variables? Always use descriptive variable names. Okay, that should be descriptive, like width. I know this is the width and the height of an image, right? So you can define the width and the height, right? Meaningful variable names is logged in, greeting. Okay. Next, we can use the camel casing variable names. Okay, this is the like new trend of the camel case. You can use the camel case, or whether you can go with the this one, is logged in. Here you can also write let is underscore logged underscore in. You can also write like this way also, but the new trend is says that the camel case variable name is very important, right? Next, short and descriptive variable names. Price, I know this is the price. Items count, this is the item count. Okay, so these are the ways that you can avoid the bad variable names in JavaScript or any other programming language, you can say, right? So I hope you understand what is important to write a variable name or declare a variable name. So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Or if I skip something, you can also write me down in a comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.